Good morning! We're back with Anika here. After 2 days na absent ni Anika, nandito na siya. She's back. And we are on day 8. For Anika, it's day 6. Dalawang absent mo, no? Baka ano lang tayo ngayon, Nika. Isang round lang tayo ngayon. Kasi may pasok today and we have to prepare. Because it's Monday today. So, prepare tayo for school. So, hindi pa masyado nagpapakita si Mr. Sun, but meron na diyang a little bit of yellow. God, that was so tiring. We run, guys, kaya napagod kami. Nahulog ang ating earpods, guys. Pero mura lang naman yan. Hindi yan AirPods, it's just earpods. Ang tagal na din ito. This one I bought from TikTok. It's Monster XS. Basta may Monster. Hindi ko alam kung nasa TikTok pa ngayon. Kasi when I bought it, hindi pa ako nag-affiliate. So, we have to go, guys. Bye! Yan ang ating ano ngayon. Usually, nagpapakita siya na doon pag maganda yung panahon. Si Mount Apo, nakikita dyan usually. Ay, hindi usually, rarely pala. Kasi hindi masyado nagpapakita si Mount Apo. So, good morning, guys!